are measuring the can high, can low internal resistance at the ABS module plug right there. And the moment I got around 680 ohms. The customer installed a trailer brake controller by himself or harness soundstage. I think this is wild. I'm not sure, can you see? Yeah. I think I accidentally cut through one of the CAN bus wires, and then by tightening, but was tightening the cable tie. This cable tie is for the brake controller, trailer brake controller harness. So one more shot. We have erased the course. That's key on, ignition on. Yeah, starts runs. Just only one broken CAN bus wire, and then two down the whole vehicle.